2003 Ford Crown Victoria. Really beautiful car. Police Interceptor. P71. What we got done on it, he's got factory converters there and there. Then he brought his own secondary converters. One there. One there. Flowmaster 2220124. If you guys want them, we'll have a link in the description. Then he's brought his own X pipe also. We've installed that for him. We'll have a link in the description also. Can't say description today for some reason. Then 2.5-inch pipe all the way back into two DYNOMAX race bullets. One here, part number 24215. Then custom 2.5-inch tailpipes there and there, all the way back. And there, all the way back into 4-inch roll tips, Marauder look, which I don't blame them. They look really nice when you do that to them. There and there. And this is the system, everything we cut off right here. He just put something together just to get it here. So, be honest with you, that's not too bad at all. I like what he did. But that's what we did. So we'll let you guys see it and hear it in a second. Sound decibel's gonna be 105, guys. Let's see. That's smooth. Especially that X pipe, man, smooths the sound out a lot. Oh yeah, that's beef. Again. There's sound decibels. Again. You're exactly right, dude. 105. That's awesome. Yeah, you've been watching our videos, you know. That's awesome. Those tips are perfect for it too, man. They look so good. Does Pops approve? Yeah. He approves. Heck yeah. That sounds so sick. I like it. That's one of the smoothest ones we've done, where it's not raspy. Right, yeah. Most of them we straight pipe. Again. And those DYNOMAX bullets, man, they never disappoint. They always sound so good. Again. Let you guys hear on the inside. Ford Crown Vic, Police Interceptor, P71. Complete dual system, X-pipe, DYNOMAX race bullets, 4-inch tips rolled. Go get 'em!